How a Lama or how the teaching spread is dependent on how the students speak and how the students act. If the students know how to praise and speak and talk about the good qualities of the Lama, then people will know. Offhand, when you look at someone, how will you know their good qualities? If the students remain quiet and don't say anything, the Lamas never grow. Never grow. And hence, the Lamas who grow these days is not just a matter of their status or their attainments and who they are these days. It's a matter of having a good publicist. People who write books about them, put them in articles, advertise their good qualities, and talk about them, supposing they have those qualities. It's not like before in Tibet. Now it's a matter of good publicists, good writers, newspapers, magazines, and people who believe in their guru so much to spread their guru's kindness and dharma through those mediums. So if we do nothing about that, we just sit back and we know our guru's good qualities, it's very selfish. Why? We're not helping everybody else. So if we can't help people directly, we can help other people by letting people know our guru's good qualities, explaining our guru's good qualities. That is our responsibility. How did you all come to Buddhism? Buddha taught you about his good qualities, or his students taught you? How do you have faith in Tsem Rinpoche? How do you have faith in Dalai Lama? You never even met him, or have you met him briefly? Because someone explained their qualities to you. Repeatedly, again and again and again. How did you buy anything? Your apartment, your house, your refrigerator? Because someone said this brand is good, this brand is good, this location is good, this apartment is good, this developer is good. Someone kept telling you it's good. So you heard about it. Someone advertised it, so you read about it. Then you bought it, then you purchased it, then you got your car, then you got your refrigerator, then you bought your apartment, and you enjoy the good quality of it because someone told you it's good. Similarly, in that way, if you don't talk about your guru, advertise, you don't write, you don't say anything, you just stay quiet, me, it's very selfish. Why? Then you keep your guru's potential to yourselves. How does anybody know anything about anything? Talking. Advertising. So in today's modern world, that's even more applicable. Much more applicable. In countries where magazines and books of His Holiness the Dalai Lama are very prevalent, then everybody knows about his greatness. In countries where his books are not allowed or not prevalent, nobody knows anything about him. You go to the average person, say, Dalai Lama, they say, I don't know. They don't know. They don't know at all. In countries where Mother Teresa's books are not allowed to be proliferated and put on the shelf, no one knows about her. I guarantee you, no one. How do they know? Whether they know or not has nothing to do with them having good qualities or not. It's a matter of communication and advertising. That's why first comes our behavior and how we act and how we hold ourselves. Second is talking, advertising. So why would we want to promote our guru? Why? Because we're fanatical? That could be a reason. Why would we want to promote our guru and talk good quality about our guru? So that we're insecure and we're reassuring ourselves psychologically? That could be another reason. But the real reason why we would promote our guru is we have trust and confidence that he can help many beings, and out of great compassion, we tell other people about our guru. That's why anybody would talk about the Dalai Lama or Kyabje Tsem Rinpoche, hoping that by their speech, by recording it, by writing about it, by it spreading, that these beings will meet these beings in the future and get the benefits that I have received. That's why I talk about it. I don't talk about Tsem Rinpoche and Dalai Lama to make myself high. Their qualities didn't rub off on me just because I received initiation from them. Their enlightenment didn't rub off on me just because I had the honor to serve them. I'm still me. But I am concerned about a lot of people. And I know that if people hear about this in the world, on the internet, that these great lamas exist and their qualities are like that when they hear, they will somehow find their way to connect with these lamas. And that's why I talk about these lamas all the time. It is my way to advertise. And then I hope that when it gets on the net, when thousands and thousands of people are looking at it on the net, they will somehow find these lamas or lamas of their caliber or their similarity. Why? So they can get Dharma teachings. And that's why I talk and advertise. So if we're going to talk about our lamas, It's from compassion and care for others. From compassion and care, we will talk about our lamas to others. If we're lazy to promote our lamas, if we're lazy to talk, then it shows our lack of care. Care comes in so many ways. In so many ways.